like a lot of creepy stuff that happens in those woods. Are you sure you want to do this? I heard they chop up kids' livers and they feed them to some person. Like, it's probably just like a joke or something. Cause like
I heard they pee in the woods. Isn't that gross?
I want to go home. All right, let's go. Let's just do it.
Fine. I hate all these bugs. They're really annoying. Call them whatever you want, but they're really insects. No, they're not. They're
Well, maybe if we hadn't thrown the granola bars in the river back there, then maybe we could have eaten them. I want to go home. Mommy, how long have we been walking for? We've only been in the woods for like 10 minutes. Oh. Ah! A snake! Ah!
a stick. A stick.
It's been about a half hour and I think we're lost.
Did you bring the map?
Wait, didn't you bring the map?
No, I don't have the map.
What, the map that I planned everything carefully out on? Please tell me you brought the map.
What's a map? Like, a map? You don't know what a map is?
Do you know what a map is?
But we need it. We'll never find our way now.
Like...
Are we here? Is this it?
Oh my God, I think it is. Where's the guy?
I thought you looked dead.
Yeah, you look dead.
I'm sorry. The guy just left to get Burger King. We were really hungry. And I thought you guys left, so we're gonna have a private candlelight dinner.